The Aurora R16 is packed with serious horsepower under its hood. Priced at more or less $2,200 for this configuration, it offers a very good bang for the buck.
That's awesome.
To some, it may sound expensive, but it's quite normal to pay extra for the convenience of a pre-built PC, and this does not even come close to Alienware's previous prices. At the heart of this gaming juggernaut is an Intel Core i9 13th Gen processor with an impressive blend of 8 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores. This CPU isn't just about raw power, it's about smart power, efficiently distributing the workload for the best gaming experience. Paired with 32GB of DDR5 RAM, this machine is a multitasking monster. By the way, if you haven't already, subscribe to us for more videos just like this one every single day. This is a gaming PC, so the graphics are handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 with 12GB of GDDR6X memory. For storage, it has a 1TB NVMe SSD for lightning-fast loading times and a 1TB HDD. I know it's a slight disappointment. I think, for its price, it would have been better if it has an all-SSD setup. As for gaming, the R16 maintains high frame rates even at 4K settings, max presets, and ray tracing. Forza Horizon 5 at 4K max settings sits smoothly at around low to mid 80 FPS. Spider-Man on 4K and max settings runs at 80 to 85 frames per second, even without DLSS or FSR. Even with some ray-traced elements, it didn't break a sweat. Cyberpunk at 4K high settings can run a smooth 70 to 75 FPS with DLSS 3 turned on. The front panel of the R16 has a USB 3.1 Type-C port, 3 USB-A 3.1 ports, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The rear side has a mic jack, 4 USB-A 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.1A ports, 2 USB 3.1 Type-C ports, and of course, the Ethernet jack and the Wi-Fi poles are there. Through the RTX 4070, you also have 1 HDMI 2.1 port and 3 DisplayPort 1.4s. You will find a meticulously organized interior within the R16. While the Intel Z690 is a proprietary motherboard, it gets the job done quite well. Of course, cooling is no afterthought, with an I/O liquid cooler keeping the CPU temperatures in check. The design allows for easy access to the DIMM slots and M.2 storage, making upgrades a hassle-free process. All of this is powered by a 500-watt platinum-rated power supply unit. The Aurora R16 is certainly a testament to what a pre-built gaming PC can achieve. With its Intel Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce GPU, it is equipped to tackle the most resource-intensive games on the market. Scan this QR code and you will be taken to Amazon for your R16 right now. This has been Marty, and I'll see you tomorrow.